Okay, good morning. I thought I'd do another video on a similar knife which I've just done recently, which had quite a good review on it. Well, no, not review. What should I say? Interest. So this is the Tough Master, okay? Folding trimming knife with triple lock back system. It does all this stuff here that it says, if you can see that. If I can bring it in closer. My eyes are not that good. But I'll go through it by showing you it manually, I think, rather than this. So it's called, here we go, it's called the Tough Master. 3-way locking, which I quite like actually, it's quite good. So what that means is you've got a button here, press the button in, lock 1, again, lock 2, so that's 45 degree I believe, and then lock 3, and it is locked. It is absolutely lock solid. That's not coming apart. So press the button in again, 1, 2, and then fully locked, and it's locked in that position. Well, that's quite good. I like that bit of a trick to it. The next one is, well, it comes with this blade cover. Now whether you keep that, and I do not know. There's one thing on here that I'm not sure of. It says it comes with 4 blades, which it does. The original one which is in it, and then you've got another 3 in a separate compartment, and I'll show you that in a second. But it says they're made of SK2 steel. Can anybody enlighten me on that? It said it's hardened. Where does it say there? It does say somewhere. Let me have a quick look. 3 spare blades in built-in storage belt. We got that. Be careful when you... Okay. Push button, 3 position. The blades are uniquely sharpened and made from strengthened SK2 premium quality steel. Don't know what that is. If anybody knows, please leave it in the comment down below, because I'd appreciate that. I mean, these things are like razors. So, yeah, I got that right on there. No, I haven't. Let's put him back on. I want him out. I don't want him attacking me just yet. Okay, so put him back on there. No, let's leave him off because we've got to show you the blade anyway. So another one is you've got a grip at the top, you've got a grip at the base, which is quite good. I like the idea of that. Yeah, so where was I? Just had a phone call. Where were we? Yeah, so the blade is like the same as the other one. You've got this push button here, which is a bit easier than the other one. The other one was a little bit difficult to get to. I find this a bit easy. It is quite a substantial button. Okay, so push him in. And easily, very easy. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. My daughter had a problem that they blew up their electrics, so I had to sort that out. That's easy done. It was an extension lead. If anybody wants to know, if you're using an extension lead and you've got it coiled up, it can be quite dangerous. You must uncoil the extension lead totally off the reel. You can't leave it coiled up because it acts like a massive coil and it can get red hot and cause a problem. Anyway, all sorted. Right, so back to this. So the blade, just push the button in and that will come out nicely. It's very, I like this bit compared to the other one. I found the other one quite awkward, and it locks into position. And underneath here, we have what they call a rope cutter, string cutter, whatever you want, which is a little ditty cut out of the blade, which shows you the blade there like that. You can see that's in focus. Is that in focus? Get my hand out of the way. There we go. Beautiful. There. Okay, so we have a 3-lock position. We have a multi... well, I think it moves as well, the blade. You can got 2 positions. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if it should do. Nope. Anyway, right, so it must be both must lock into position. Is that in focus? Come on, guys. Anyway, so that's that. I'm going to put that cover back on. Like I said, I know I'm going to cut myself. Wrong way around. There we go. So, fold him away. That's great, like that. So, the other thing is it's got a belt holder, which you can see here, or a pocket, when you put in your pocket, whatever you want to do. Now, the next thing I did find, I had trouble getting into the other blades in the back here. So you might want to know this. So what you do, you push these, you pinch it together. and then the back comes up. It's quite nice as well. And inside here you have 3 spare of those special blades. Now they're not pushed in or anything, they're held in via a magnet. There's a tiny magnet on the inside, and that's what holds them in place, a little magnet. So I like that idea as well. Pushing this down, all you do is just push it in position, and then it's quite a good lock on it. That's a good feel. I like that. It's probably going to wear out in some time, but then again, no, I wouldn't have thought so, because you're not going to change the blades every day, or are you? Possibly. Anyway, there we go. Now the best thing is Amazon, and it's a £5. I mean, come on, £5 bloody quid. I wouldn't say it's the best make, but I wouldn't say it's not the worst. I mean, it's quite nice actually. Black, yellow. Looks like a bumblebee. You got the locking mechanism which stops the blade from coming open. That is no play in that whatsoever. Yeah, I like this bit of kit. So a £5 little handy little blade with three spares, plus the one in it, which is number 4 by Tough Masker. £5. It was only £5 and a few pence. If you like the video, would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. You don't have to. If you'd like to subscribe, you don't have to. I would appreciate it. Take care, and we will definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.